Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem we're asked if y is greater than 5, which of the following is equal to 1 over y minus 4 plus 1 over y minus 3. So rewriting this expression, the y is greater than 5 is just assuring that we won't have any zeros in the denominator, so we can kind of just ignore that for now, right? And what we want to do is in this denominator, we want to get a common denominator between these two fractions in the overall denominator. So if we multiply, keeping the 1 up top the same, 1 over y minus 4 times y minus 3 over y minus 3, what is this going to accomplish? Well, since y minus 3 divided by y minus 3 is 1, which is just something divided by itself, multiplying by this fraction is not going to actually change the value. However, it is going to change the denominator so that we have y minus 3 and y minus 4. So then when we do the same thing with the other fraction, except multiplying it by y minus 4, then you can see in both of these fractions now we have a y minus 3 in the denominator and we have a y minus 4 in the denominator. So the denominators are going to be equal, and then we can add the two fractions together. So you have 1 over y minus 3 times 1, which is just y minus 3, over y minus 3 times y minus 4. Let's just do this up here so we only have to do it once. Using distribution, we have y squared minus 4 times y minus 3 times y. Negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7y. Then negative 3 times negative 4 is plus 12. This is plus y minus 4 times 1 is y minus 4 over the same denominator. So in the overall denominator, we have two fractions with a common denominator, so therefore we can add the numerators. So we have y plus y is 2y, minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7, over y squared minus 7y plus 12. So this is equal to 1 divided by the denominator, which is 2y minus 7 over y squared minus 7y plus 12. Why did I rearrange this from 1 over to 1 divided by? Well, they mean the same thing, and now it's easier to see that we can do 1 times this flipped. 1 times y squared minus 7y plus 12 over 2y minus 7. 1 times anything is just the thing itself, so our final answer is y squared minus 7y plus 12 over 2y minus 7, which means C is going to be your final answer. As always, thank you for liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.